Hi, it's a silly MR, and today I wanted to do a few focus triggers, and just little games. Yeah, so I think we'll just go straight into it today. So we're gonna start with some light triggers with my trusty torch. Now I'm gonna warn you, this is pretty bright, like that bright, but I'll hold it back. Okay, and now what I want you to do, I just want you to follow the light. Just a pretty quick warm up before we get into the intense stuff. So okay, could you just follow the light? Follow the light. Follow the light. Follow the light. Okay, could you follow my fingers instead? Ignore the light. Completely ignore the light. Look at the light. Look at my nose. Look back at the light. Look at my fingers. Look at my fingers again. Look at my nose. And follow the light. Follow light. Okay, now I want you to tell me when the light comes into your peripheral vision or your point of view. So I just want you to stare, look at my nose. Just tell me when you feel the light come in. Good. 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 Look at my nose. Good. Good. Look at my fingers instead. Good. Good. And back at my nose. Good. Okay. Now we're going to look at my fingers here. I want you to tell me which set of fingers is moving. So let's do a practice. We'll do a practice. Yeah. Okay. So you just tell me which ones. And I want you to stare at my nose while we do it. Sorry. Yeah. Good. 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 Okay. Perfect. So I've got this little purple thing, and I'm gonna bring this into the video throughout the video, and I just want you to tell me when this purple thing shows up. So starting from now, you can count now. Count how many times you see this purple thing throughout the video. Okay? Can you do that? So starting from now. Okay. Perfect. So now let's do identifying colours. So I've got a lovely box of colours here. Lovely box of Sharpies and colours. And I just want you to tell me what colour I'm showing you. Ready? Let me find somewhere to put the box. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. What colour is this? Good. 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 What colour is this? What colour is that? Good. What colour is that? Good. What colour is that? Good. Which one out of these two would you say is closer to red in the rainbow? Good. Okay. Which one would you say of these two is longer? Good. Perfect. And how many of these do I have? How many of these? 2. Good. Okay, good. Let's do some more. Okay. What colour is that? Oh, what colour is that? Good. What colour is that? What kind of shade is that? Good. What colour is that? What colour would you say that is? Good. What colour is that? Good. What colour is that? Good. And what colour is this? What colour is that? Good. Very good. Okay, so I want you to pick one of these and just follow it. Okay. Okay, good. And switch. So whichever one you just picked before, switch to the other one. Okay. Good. Okay. Now we're gonna do a little different game, and this involves you. Wait, I'm not gonna tell you to close your eyes just yet. So basically what I am going to do is I am going to scratch one of these objects. Sorry, I'm just getting the pens out the way. I'm going to scratch one of these objects. So this cute little Monster High little keychain. So that sounds like that. I'm going to sketch this hair roller. I forgot what they're called. So can you hear the distinct difference in the sound? Okay, so I want you to close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay, so once your eyes are closed, I just want you to tell me which one I'm scratching. Ready? Which one was that? Good. Which one was that? Good. Which one was that? Good. I'm just gonna add the fact you don't have to say, oh, it's a hair roller thing, what's this? Just say the Monster High thing is number 2 and the hair roller thing's number 1, even though I showed you in the other order, but okay. Which one is this? Good. Which one is this? Good. Which one is this? Good. Which one is this? Good, well done. Okay, I want you to open your eyes, open your eyes, open your eyes. And close your eyes again, close them again, close them again, close them again. Open your eyes, open your eyes, open your eyes. And close them again, close them, close them. Now open them and close your right eye. I'll do it as well. Okay, good, 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 good. And you can open both of your eyes back up. Okay. So, I have this rose. I want you to tell me if the rose is close, close, or far. Okay, ready? Let's go. Good. 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 Good, good, good. And one more time. Is it close or far? Good. And is it close or far? Good, 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 good. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I think I'm going to draw letters on your face with little one of my trusty pens, and I want you to tell me what letter I'm drawing. All of the letters will be in capitals, so let's do an example. That would be an A. Okay, ready? What letter was that? Good, good. Okay. I'm trying to remember how to do letters. What letter was that? Good, good. What letter was that? Good, okay, yeah. Okay, and I think I'm going to do 2 more letters. So, what letter was that? Good. Okay, and lastly, let me think of a good letter. A bit of a hard one. Okay. What letter was that? Good, good. Well done, well done, well done. Well done, well done, well done. Okay, now, what I'm going to do now is I want you to focus right there on this flower. Are you focused? You ready? Just focus on that flower. Ignore the rose. Ignore the rose. Ignore the rose. Only look at this rose. They're both roses, but... Okay. Now I want you to focus where the pen hits this. So wherever it is, just focus on that, where they touch, okay? Ready? You ready? Okay. Okay, well done. Okay, now I want you to tell me which point is closer. So I'm going to mark 2 points on my phone case, and I want you to tell me which one is closer. Ready? So this is point 1, this is point 2. Which point is closer? Good. Okay. This is point 1, this is point 2. Which point was closer? Good. Okay. This is point 1. This is point 2. Which one was closer? Good. This is point 1. This is point 2. Which one's closer? Good, good. This is point 2. This is point 1. Which one was closer? Okay. And this is point 1. And this is point 2. Which one is closer? Good, good. Good, good. Okay, now I want you to count how many roses are on my phone case. How many roses are on my phone case? And I'm going to give you 5 seconds to do that. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Good. 10. I think there's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 10. You guys could probably do that in 5 seconds. I can't. And I've had this phone case for about half a year. Give or take. Give or take. Give or take. Now, what letter? Can you even see that? We'll use the torch. See, it all makes sense in the end. Okay, what letter is that? It's reversed, but what letter? Good, 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 good. Okay, now I'm going to draw shapes with this tediously bright light. And I want you to tell me what shape I'm drawing. Ready? What shape was that? Good. What shape was that? Not a circle, it was an oval. Caught you out. Sorry, I'm not funny. Okay. What shape was that? Rectangle, good. What shape was that? I was very concentrated. A square, good, 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 good. Okay, now I've got this mini little, if I can get it out, I've got this mini little file. It's quite cute. This little nail file, and it's got a pink side, the blue side, TV girl. Sorry, it's got a pink side and a blue side, and I want you to stare directly. Let's say stare into my eyes, into my eyes, and I want you to tell me from the corner if it's blue or if it's pink. Ready? You staring? You staring? You staring? Okay, good. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Which one was that? Good, good, good. Which one was that? Good, good, good. And look at this side now. Well, it's going to be coming in at this side. You should be looking at my eyes. You should be looking at my eyes. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Which colour was that? Good. Okay, and the other side, but in my eyes. What colour was that? Good. And finally, one more time. What colour was that? Good, good. I think you did really well on all these tests overall. But yeah, how many times did you see this? Comment. But I hope you enjoyed the video. And just tell me if you've got any more video recs that you would like me to do, because I'll happily do them. I've got no little rhyme or rhythm to my account. I'll do whatever.